Yo YouTube, what is up? I am back with the brand new video. Now here today I'm gonna be reviewing my Revenge Smoke Tee. Now this was from the last drop. It's also dropped with the half zips and the full zips. I meant the quarter zips and the full zips. But this was a reprint. Now I wasn't sure how a lot of people felt about this one, because I would say pretty fairly recent piece that was dropped, probably maybe a year or two ago, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I knew it was a lot of mixed opinions. A lot of people were like, oh, we're sick of the skull designs, why is he reprinting the smoke hoodies and stuff like that. So I just went ahead and just copped me a tee, just because I didn't have this design yet, because I wasn't copping Revenge at that time as much as I am now. So I was super pleased with the way that this tee came out. Now the printing on it is pretty decent for what it's supposed to look like, and overall the blanks that they use for the long sleeves fit pretty true to size, and I'm pretty much satisfied. Now here I'll be going more in detail, more in depth on the printing and different things like that, which I'll be showing you here. But overall this looks pretty good. Now I know that it's been a lot of talk about a new drop coming up soon, and the new drop is gonna be a big drop. A lot of people were wondering why we haven't been getting the mini drops anymore. That was only for 3 weeks, and those 3 or 4 weeks have passed. So now we're going back to the big drops, and then they're take a break for a couple months, which I'm cool with that too. Now I was seeing that we were probably gonna get some type of embroidered hoodies, and we're gonna be getting a whole bunch of different things. I've seen the jewel hoodies and stuff like that. So it's gonna be a pretty interesting year. We're gonna see how this all plays out. But here we have the tee here. Now like I said, it fits pretty true to size. It has a decent neck collar to it. Doesn't feel too big or anything like that. The cuff sleeves, the sleeve cuffs, are pretty good. They don't fit tight. They fit fairly decent. The overall blank, the quality, the way it feels pretty hefty. You know, you pay for pretty much what you get for. But I would say definitely slept on tee. A lot of people didn't go for this tee, so I figured I might as well just throw it in my cart. I didn't really have anything else, so I was just might as well. So I went in ahead and just grabbed the tee, and I do not regret it. I'm actually happy that I grabbed the tee, and I do like the design. Now I thought about the hoodies. I know they put out some olivish hoodies and different things like that, but I really wasn't focused on that. I was just mainly focused on the quarter zip that I showed in my last video, and I just can't wait to see exactly how this year is gonna play out for Revenge. When are we gonna get the Vans and different things like that? They're doing footwear now. But there is another thing that I wanted to talk about in this video, and it's just overall I know a lot of people have been having problems with the shipping and different things like that, which is still happening, but Garrett has definitely gotten better on the shipping. As far as what I'm seeing in the subreddit, I'm seeing less people complain, but I'm still seeing a numerous amount of people having problems with their shipments being sent to different places, and that's just because USPS fucking sucks, and I don't understand why it's so hard for them to ship a fucking t-shirt or a hoodie. But that's just the case it is. That's just the way shit is. Like, I would ship something with USPS, then the shit will fucking say another day and then show up another day, and it's like, I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but I would say cut the man some slack. He's trying. I understand that shit. Just be patient and just hold it out. Now, if you're like still waiting and like it's been like months and months and months, I would say go ahead and charge back, just because like at this point you're probably not gonna get anything if he hasn't like sent you like shipping confirmation or nothing like that. I'm not sure what's going on with that. You'll probably have to contact them or contact your bank and let them know the situation, which sucks that you have to go through that, and I don't understand why, but hey, it's life. But I'm gonna be coming back with more videos. But I want to say thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for checking in. Everybody, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Check out my other videos if you like watching revenge unboxing and streetwear unboxings, different things like that. And I want to say peace out.